new Lil Yachty, Tesla, directed by Cole Bennett, the GOAT. And yeah, hopefully it's a banger. I mean, Lil Yachty's been on a pretty hot streak all year, so expecting this to continue that. Oh, the video's already fire too. I'm so happy for Cole Bennett throughout the years.
Fuck that nigga. He ain't even made no millions. He keep on dropping a blunt. It's the real reason.
Have I heard this? And no, I'm not mistaken with fucking Walk, because I know he's using the same effect, the vocal thing. But no, it just dropped yesterday. Damn, on Dat Piff? Dat Piff is still around? Golly. I used to download fucking mixtapes from there.
Back and forth, till it ain't even. Till it ain't easy.
But no, this is the new song.
Immediately. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Hey.
Gas him up and get him killed.
I love this vocal effect, man.
Like the milk. He get tough off a pill, he get pilled. Send a bitch home, acting goofy, my cup spilled. Beat you for real. Okay, go. Bitch, we the new Beatles. Shoot a film, regal. In the air, eagle. I don't want it if it's legal. Go back this Tesla.
I fucking love Lil Yachty, man. You don't understand, bro. He first started popping when I was in middle school. I rode or died for this man. Even when everyone switched up on him when he dropped fucking what was it? His first album. His first actual album. I forget what it was called. It was Teenage Emotions. I searched it up, but I already knew off the dome. I really liked that album too. I liked okay, obviously I like hardcore Yachty or rapping Yachty. I like this more where it's kind of like a mix between the trap shit, but it's also kind of more vibes. But when he used to do his really melodic shit, and people didn't like that. Like, they didn't like him being happy, basically. They were like, we need more trap songs. And I still fucked with him, man. I was here the whole time. I haven't listened to the Lost Files EP. Where do, or how do I go on? I don't remember what it was. I don't even know. I'm so confused. Like, what did I do to lose you? So where do I go now? Wait, I don't fucking remember. Lost Files EP. Hold on, now I gotta... Because now it's pissing me off that I don't know the lyrics.
I don't think niggas
I've been listening to this in so long.
NAZ with a new 2 Life crew. Yachty been popping bottles.
Hey. DN in this bitch.
Wolf out the wood. V8.
Okay. That song. That song. It must have been the last song. It was this song. Okay, wait. What does it say? Oh, where did I go wrong?
I don't even know. I'm so
confused.
Like, what did I do to lose you?
Man, I fucking miss the ghetto days. But I enjoy the good new days as well.
Yo, I just wanna taste it. This little bitch my ace. Dog get serve it anywhere, even army bases. They ain't gotta like me, they just gotta.
This effect is so goofy, but it works so well.
I'm jaded. Ratchet bitch, I hate it. Step. Geek, duck, geek, move. Geek, keep the top down. Made the ops frown. Switch, sound like.
Yeah.
Hey, go back this
Oh, that beat was gonna drop.
Go back that.
Hey. I can learn some random ass in between dance moves from Yachty. Like, you know, when you just done one cool move, but you can't go right into another crazy move. So you got some in betweens. You know, your little shuffle, your little, you know, your milli rocks. You know, your little, you know, like those little things. I need to learn some in between, you know.
I can't lie, girl, I'm high. Fucking up a set, put my wrist in the sky. Gangsta on the net, in real life that won't fly. I can show you how to get them M's DIY. Put her on the spot, no time to be shy. There you go, there he is. Get that boy, get that boy, get that boy.
His drip is always fire too, bro. I want that fucking bandana.
Hey, throw back this Tesla. Throw back that.
Oh yeah, that seems a lot longer than it was. That was only 3 minutes. Oh yeah. Shout out to Yachty. Shout out to Lyrical Lemonade, also known as Cole Bennett. Hell to the yeah.